Well, we're almost done. The subframe's all painted. Got some scuffs on it, but I don't care. It's gonna be a working platform. What we don't have are the front skirts that I promised. I was gonna bend those and fab them, but I think this project's gone on long enough. Sometimes you just gotta call it quits on a project. So you get to an okay point and then you decide it's not worth the effort. And I think that's where we're at. So we'll get the weld plates in so that we can attach the cart to the box. And I gotta grind off the paint. I'm gonna use some Scotch-Brite pads. Takes it off pretty easy. And we've got the tank cage is all ready to go. So all it has to do is bolt on. But we gotta do something that's really terrible. We gotta take all the stuff out of the cart, out of the toolbox, throw it on the floor, and turn the box upside down so that we can do all this. So I gotta take everything out of the box, do the welding, hopefully pray that it works, and then put everything back. And if it doesn't, then I have to do this like 4 times. So this is a pain in the ass, but we'll give it our best shot and see where we go. So that's it for now.